Hey you guys, I'm here with another video and I just want to talk about some things you're going to need if you're going to get started with this machine. Now the first thing you're going to need is tools. So I picked up this cute set of tools and they are from Cricut, and these are just the basic tools. So everything you're going to need is going to come in this package. You're going to need everything from this package. The first thing you're going to get is a weeder. You're going to get a spatula. You're going to go ahead and get your scraper, which is very important, a pair of scissors. So all these tools and also some tweezers. All these tools that you're going to need are going to be here. So you're going to use basically all of them. So you're going to use the whole set. You're going to use the spatula, the weeder, the scraper, the scissors, and the tweezers. So right here you're set, and it comes in different colors. So you can actually buy this little set in different colors, and it shows you an example of how you're going to use all of it. So eventually you're going to use all of these little tools, and trust me, you're going to need them because I already started crafting with this and I used almost all of them except the spatula. The good thing about this little set, it's affordable and they come in different colors. So you can go ahead and match it up to your machine and you can get the same color that you have on your machine. They come in mint, they come in whatever color the machine comes. You can go ahead and grab that little set of tools and match it up to your machine. So that's pretty good, and the price is super affordable, so you don't have to worry about that. The next thing you're going to need is tape, transfer tape. You're definitely going to need transfer tape for all your projects. This is very important, so make sure you find it at an affordable place because you're going to need a ton of it for any project you do, especially vinyl, just regular permanent vinyl. You're going to need the transfer tape to transfer your project to wherever you're going to go ahead and put it. I picked it up in a couple of sheets and I love it. It's very useful and it transfers your whole project one piece into wherever you're going to go ahead and put it. This is a window cling. So this is perfect for your window projects. Let's say you want to make a couple of ghosts and put them on your window. This is perfect because it's removable. You can go ahead and put it on your window and then take it off and then go ahead and make some hearts for Valentine's. So this is perfect for every holiday that you want to put on your window. Anything you want to make here, you're going to make it with this. And it's reusable and removable. So this is perfect. This is called window cling, and I bought this from Cricut, and you can go ahead and buy it anywhere you want, but I used it and it works perfect. So you can go ahead and decorate your machine. You can go ahead and decorate the window and then just peel it off when you're ready and you're done. So that's one type of vinyl that you could be totally interested in because you can just go ahead and just make whatever you want and then just peel it off and throw it away and get ready for the next. The next thing you're going to need is a mat. Now Cricut gives you one mat, so you can go ahead and use this one until you just waste it away and then go ahead and buy another one. The mats are pretty affordable and you can also reuse it by washing it. This is another type of vinyl, and this is the metallic, and this is the permanent. So I love that one. That one works very well for projects. It's really pretty. It stands out. It's super cute. And then this is the glitter vinyl, and this is permanent as well. So you start trying out different types of vinyl to see what your machine loves, what you love. And this is another type of vinyl. This has glitter, but it's fine. So there's basically different types. There's permanent, there's removable, there's heat as well, heat vinyl, which I'll show you in a minute. But there's different types of vinyl. The thing is to get used to all of them so you know what you're working with. And this is the iron-on, which I was saying, heat vinyl. This will go onto your shirts and your clothing. And I love to label them right there by just writing a little sticker in the corner. So go ahead and add your little sticker and write what kind of vinyl you have, but do it on the back side because you don't want it on the front side, trust me. Unless the sticker is easy to move. But that's how I organize my vinyl right now. And this is the glitter iron-on. So this is the heat one. This is what you're going to use for your t-shirts. and your bags and your pillowcases, anything you want to customize, you're going to use the heat one. And then you have your regular permanent vinyl, and then you have your vinyl that just comes off, that's for the window, the clean vinyl. So you just have to get used to all of them and how you're going to set them on the machine and just how you're going to work with them. It's just part of getting used to the whole thing in the process. Once you learn it, it's super easy to work with. You're gonna love it. You're gonna see what kind of vinyl you want to work with. And this is your fabric. This is great to make bows. This is great to make anything you want to make out of a fabric for your machine. Your machine does have fabric on there, so you can go ahead and use that. And look at how pretty it is. It's a thin fabric. It's not too thick. It's workable, and this is great for other projects that you just want to make simple things to use this with. You can make bows. You can make a ton of stuff with that. That is your fabric. So there's just different types of vinyl you can use, different types of material. You just have to get used to all of them and seeing how you work with them, if they work well for you, if they don't. It's okay to make mistakes. This is what you have a machine for. You want to go ahead and just give it a try on everything. You want to try it out, even if you make mistakes, because that's how you learn eventually. That's how you're going to learn to use the machine. That's how you're going to learn to make your projects. And yeah, you definitely need the tools for it. I recommend this kit. I'm telling you, it's a lifesaver. Everything you need is going to need there. You're going to use it. Trust me. And then you're going to go ahead and just try out your vinyl, try out everything, and just write everything down. If you forget, go ahead and grab a little notebook, write it down so you could remember. Make sure you label your vinyls just so you don't forget and get them confused. Go ahead and label them, go ahead and play with them, read, and just check out what's out there. Now, I also want to talk about the decals. You're going to need decals to start your project. You can go ahead and buy some. Some are cheap, some are expensive. Now, I have a link down below that I'm going to leave for you. And then these are the pens. You're going to need a couple of those. I have a link down below that I'm going to link for you that'll take you straight to a website of decals. Now, only are you going to get them on sale, but you're going to also get a 15% off your entire purchase. And I'll leave that code down below. It's DIY15, but I'll leave all the information down below for the website. And you can go ahead and check out some of the decals. Once you purchase that decal, it's yours forever. You can insert it into Cricut and start making whatever project you want. You can do whatever you want with that decal. It is yours. So go ahead and check that out. I'll leave the link down below. It's a great price for some decals. You can go ahead and just browse through the whole thing and see what you like and purchase a couple of them to start with. Purchase the best 10 that you see. Purchase the best 10. Purchase one for Christmas, one for Valentine's, one for a birthday, and then go ahead and play with those and just start making and customizing everything until you get, until you get used to it. And trust me, once you do, you're going to love it. You're going to start customizing everything. You're going to go ahead and just think of new things to make for birthdays, for Christmas, for parties. And yeah, and if you do, go ahead and mention me. And until next time, bye you guys.